Have you recently inherited a house in Maryland and you're not sure what to do next? Hi, my name is Brad Dwin and I'm the owner of We Buy MD Homes, a cash home buyer in Maryland. I'm here to guide you through the essentials of selling an inherited property smoothly and efficiently. First things first, and that's that you need to understand Maryland's inheritance laws. The property might need to go through probate, which is a legal process to settle the estate. Now remember, I can't stress this enough. Always consult with an attorney first. It's absolutely critical to the process. Consulting with the attorney will help you navigate this step and ensure all the legal requirements are met. Now let's talk about taxes. And again, I want you to consult with a tax professional so that you can fully understand the implications. The good news, though, is that you might benefit from what's called a step-up basis, which means you're only taxed on the property's value increase since the original owner's passing and not since they bought it. This is important because it can significantly reduce your capital gains taxes when you sell. Now remember, you have a lot of options with this inherited property. You can sell it, you can rent it out, you can even move into it yourself. There's pros and cons to all these options, but obviously I want to focus on the process of selling the house if you get to that point. Selling obviously provides immediate funds, and it frees you from the maintenance responsibilities. So if selling feels right, make sure the title is clear, settle the outstanding debts, and consider getting the property appraised to determine its market value. Now again, working with professionals is the key. I've already touched on this. A real estate professional who's experienced in inherited properties will make the process go very smoothly and very effectively. Plus, of course, you want to consult with the attorney and the tax advisor to guide you through the legal and financial nuances. It makes the process a little less overwhelming if you are consulting with these folks. Communications is very critical, especially when there's heirs involved. You need to prevent any misunderstandings, and you want to make sure that everything proceeds smoothly. And finally, you want to acknowledge that there's an emotional aspect. Inheriting a home often comes with memories and sentimental value. Take your time to sort through the personal belongings, perhaps keeping the items that are meaningful for you. It's very important that you understand the process. At We Buy MD Homes, we are dedicated to helping people like you navigate the complexities of selling an inherited home. My team specializes in making the process smooth and stress-free. We offer personal guidance, we handle all the details, and of course we're here to answer any questions that you may have. Now remember, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. Just reach out to us, let us support you every step of the way so that we can ensure a smooth process when you're trying to sell your inherited house. Thank you for watching, and here's to new beginnings.